Our transportation engineering program at the School of Engineering and Technology at AIT specializes in 4 major areas, including transportation planning, traffic engineering and traffic safety, highway engineering, and pavement materials, and also our logistics. One of our well-known research center is the Thailand Accident Research Center, or TARC. TARC is the pioneer in the road accident research center in the country. It is the national center for collecting scientific information about the road crash. We are conducting the accident investigation, reconstruction, road safety audit, and also the research study using both primary and secondary accident data.
AIT provides a friendly environment under the supervision of highly qualified and experienced professors. The professors are very kind-hearted and the management is admirable. I enjoy every moment of my life in AIT and feel happy to be a part of this institute.
I have been interested in my field of research in transportation engineering since bachelor and want to further improve my skills in deep knowledge of transportation engineering and quality research, which would give me a path to the betterment for my career.
The lessons we learned set a good foundation for our future endeavors, may it be further studies or industry work. We weren't just taught simple problems, but real-life applications. The whole learning experience molded us to become better transportation engineers.
The curriculum in transportation engineering contains a lot of lessons and theory that we need to know in our career path. Moreover, there are also workshops in every course to make us more understand the lessons and to clarify the theories in practical.
I feel proud that I had learned from transportation engineering instructors. Their learning was very much interactive in the classroom and easy to catch for students. As educators, they have much knowledge in their respective fields. So my experience is excellent, which will be memorable for the rest of my life.